Okay, guys, it's time to start our lesson. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are super, and you?
I'm so good. Thank you. As you see, today we are having an open lesson, and there are some guests. Feel free, don't be shy, and of course, participate actively in the lesson. Okay? Okay. Thank you. What model are we learning? Do you like sport?
Yes.
Why?
Because
It's healthy.
it's relaxing.
It's relaxing. What else?
Enjoyable.
It's enjoyable. Yes, doing sport.
It's exciting.
It's exciting. It makes me strong. Yes. What about dancing? What about dancing? Do you like?
Yes.
Why?
Dancing must be flexible.
Flexible. Helps us to be flexible. What else? Dancing. Is it a sport?
Yeah.
It's a form of sport, yes? I think it's a form of exercising, yes? Now, I want, let's start our lesson with an enjoyable warm-up activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
Don't be so shy. Please, get ready. Dance, please. Now, first of all, I want to divide you into two groups. Welcome. Come on. Choose one quickly. Tell us which group are you in. Shanar?
I'm in second group.
In the second? In the first group?
I'm in the second group.
Go.
I'm in the second group.
First group, okay, welcome.
I'm in the second group.
I'm in the second group.
Okay. Today I will assess you with special medals. For each task I will give 2 points, 2 medals, okay? Let's start the lesson with checking the home task. What was your home task? Quickly. Exercise 5. What should we do?
Make a dialogue.
Make a dialogue. Yes, to make a dialogue. Similia? To the one, exercise 3. Now welcome, please. Who is ready? Welcome, quickly.
Don't you usually go to dance? I used to, but I don't have enough money at the moment. I don't know what to do so flexible. Why don't you do exercise at home? It doesn't cost any money. It's a great idea, but I haven't any equipment. That's true, but you don't need equipment.
Any equipment?
Any equipment. Do Zumba or yoga. Thanks for the advice.
Thanks for the advice.
Don't you usually go to the gym on Monday mornings? I don't have enough money at the moment. I don't know what to do to keep fit and ideas. If I were you in your shoes, I would walk every day in the morning. I don't think it's a good idea when you sit at home. You don't get ashamed to use a variety of equipment. Have you tried doing yoga? You don't need any equipment. It's a great idea. Thanks for advice. Don't you usually go to the on Monday evening?
Monday.
I don't know what to do to keep fit. Do you have any ideas?
Well, if you concentrate at home, it doesn't cost
Any money?
and you save time.
I'm not sure that it's such a good idea. I think it's also easy to exercise with something.
I'm not sure it's such
Sure, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Such a good idea, but you don't need any equipment to do aerobic or yoga. Why don't you buy a book about how to exercise safely by yourself?
I think it's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, hi Sayan. I don't know what to do to keep fit. Any ideas?
Mm-hmm.
Hi Nadia, have you thought about joining a gym?
I'm not sure.
Sure.
That
Sure. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure that such are any ideas. Such a good ideas. Gyms can be expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's true, but you can get any advice on exercise from professionals. Why you don't walk early in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
I suppose you're right. Thanks for the advice.
Mm-hmm. Well done, boys. So now let's continue. Now, before we start the lesson, let's play the game Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Okay? Mm-hmm. Now, get ready. The first question is, who is Shafqat Rahmonov? Choose correct answer.
Fighter from the Kazakhstan.
What?
Complete in the UFC.
UFC. Click it. Click. Yes. Correct. The next. Rahmonov's nickname is. Rahmonov's nickname is. Quickly. Who is Rahmonov's nickname?
I think it's Birkut.
Birkut. Click. Birkut. No, it's not correct. No. Answer? Nomad. Okay, the next. Who is Yildoz Smetov? Quickly. Sansaya. Read. Judoka. Click it. Quickly. Yes, correct. The next question is, what weight class does Yildoz Smetov compete in? Жанар.
In the 60
Yes, it's a correct answer. The next. Who is Begzat Sattarkhanov? Bakhtiar. Kazakh boxer. Quickly, click it. Yes, you're right. The next one. Begzat Sattarkhanov achieved his victory at years old. Albina, 20, please. Yeah, well done. The next. Who is Lionel Messi? Janar.
He is American.
Who is Lionel Messi? Where is he from? Argentine professional footballer. Okay. The next. In what sport is Gennady Golovkin famous for? Sayan? Boxing. He is famous for boxing. And the last. How many languages does Gennady Golovkin know?
3.
3, 4? 4 or 3?
3.
Who thinks 3? Raise your hands quickly. Who thinks 3? 1, 2, only 3. Who thinks 4? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 4. Yes. Now, thank you. Now, how do you say? Can you guess the name of the lesson? What are we going to talk about today?
Sports.
It's famous sports?
About boxing.
About boxers? Maybe.
About Olympic champions.
Olympic Champions. Yes, you are right. All answers are correct. Today we are going to talk about sporting legends. Open your copybooks. Write the date. And as the theme of our lesson, the 17th of December, class work, sporting legends. Open your books, page number 49. Find the synonyms of the new words. Understand the main idea of the text and do some tasks in accordance with the text. Okay? Who are they? Do you know them? Yes? Who are they?
Dmytry Balandin is Olympic champion on Rio Olympic Games.
Any variants? Who is Adam Piti?
I'd say
Boxer.
Adam Piti is a swimmer.
Swimmer. Pirizat? What do you think? He is a boxer. Any ideas? Yeah?
I know about Dmytry Balandin. He won a first gold medal in swimming.
In swimming? Okay. Would you like to know the more information?
Yes.
Okay. Before listening to the audio, what should we do? Yes? What should we do? New? Yes, to learn the new words. Please open your word lists. Quickly. Listen and repeat. Okay?
Breaststroke. 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 Competition. Competition. Competitive. Countless. Countless. Determined.
Determined.
Determined. Heat. Heat. Wrestler.
Look over quickly. Examine quickly. Okay. Let's find the synonyms of the new words. Okay? Now, please get ready. Please. Find the synonyms. Quickly. Come on. Aisha, go, please. Albina, go. Heat, it means hotness, yes. Nordana? Wrestler. Wrestler. Yes, you're right. Please. Medal, it means?
Star.
Star, yes, of course. Who else? Quickly. Janar. Set a world record. Set a world record. Yes, you're right. Sayan, go. Reach a peak. Janar. You have a chance. Competition. Is it correct? Жарыс. It's a, Albina, go. It's a contest, yes. Aisha. Terrified, it means afraid, yes. The next. Yes. Experience it. Go, Kosa, quickly. Please. Well done. Okay. Let's continue.
Sporting legends. Kazakhstan's most famous weightlifters, boxers, and 16, a young athlete at the 2014 Asian Games. However, come out of Kazakhstan. Adam Piti. When Adam Piti...
It's a pair word. There are 3 extra information. You should find them and underline. Okay? Quickly. For 1 minute. You have only 1 minute. Work in pair. You two, and you. There are 3 extra information. Three, yeah. Okay. Read them quickly.
I believe that exercise classes are a fun way to get fit and a great way to meet new people.
Yeah. The next one.
This is because it gives you the opportunity to take part in shared activities like Zumba.
Yes, and the last one.
And the last one, also it can motivate you to go and exercise.
Yes, well done, girls. Well done. Who else? Albina.
I believe that exercise classes are a fun way to get fit and great way to meet new people. This is because it gives you the opportunity to take part in shared activities like Zumba. And also it can motivate you to go and exercise.
Yes. Check yourselves here. Albina. Well done. Good job. How about you? You? Quickly. Sayan.
First, everything we do depends on our muscles. Second, a lot of people nowadays are deciding to join an exercise class. And the third, there are several advantages of exercising in a group.
Very nice. Good job. Dardana.
Except for thinking, everything really depends on our
Muscles. Aisha, quickly.
A lot of people nowadays are decided to join an exercise class.
And the last?
There are several advantages of exercising in a group.
Good job, girls. Who else? Madjar. Quickly.
This is because it gives to the opportunity to take part in shared activities like Zumba. Also, it can motivate you go to exercise.
And?
I believe that exercise.
No, it's a mistake. 1 point. I'll give you only 1 point. Okay, let's do the next task. Exercise number 3. Write on your copybook. Copy and complete the table with information from the text. Then present the 2 essays to the class. Let's do it. You have only 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's time. Albina, please. Read about Dmитрий Баландин.
Dmитрий Баландin country is Kazakhstan. Is
Achievements.
Achievements is he won gold medal in the Olympic Games in 2016.
2016. Yes. Who else? Who wants to read about
From Kazakhstan.
Dmитрий Баландин? Yeah.
Dmитрий Баландин, his country Kazakhstan in Almaty. The sport swimming. The achievements. He won first gold medal in swimming for Kazakhstan.
Okay, Janar, please.
Adam Piti country England. Sport Bristol.
Achievements.
He set a world record of 55, won 19 medals, won the gold medal in Great Britain.
Thank you. Thank you. That's enough. Please. The next task is group work. As you see, there are. Who are they on the board? Yes, sporting legends, Olympic champions. You should choose one of them and do project work. Similar in the one exercise number 3, like this. Okay? Choose one, please. Here we go. Choose one. Glue. Yes, welcome. Present it. Present it, your work. Who is a speaker? Who will be a speaker? Madhyar? Quickly. Now, please. He was born in June. Balls? 7 gold balls? Really?
Yes.
Yeah. Any interesting facts?
Champion World Cup.
World Cup. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You may to provide the feedback, please. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Click one. Click one. Janar, read.
The lesson was informal. I have understood everything.
Click it here. Here. Please.
The lesson was